In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on the VPN within Microsoft Edge. If you're browsing the web and want that extra layer of privacy and security, this built-in feature might be exactly what you need. Let's dive in and I'll guide you through the process step by step. First, you'll want to start by opening up Microsoft Edge. Go ahead and launch the browser on your computer. It's important to ensure that you're using the latest version, as features can vary between updates. Once Edge is open, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll see the three-dot menu icon, which is officially known as Settings and More. Give that a click and a drop-down menu will appear. From the drop-down menu, you'll select Settings. This will open a new page filled with various options. On the left-hand side of this settings page, you'll notice a menu. Here, you want to find and click on Privacy, Search and Services. This section is where you can control many aspects of your browsing, security and preferences. Now, when you're in the Privacy, Search and Services menu, scroll a bit until you find Security. Give it a click. This is where the magic happens. You'll see an option labeled Use Microsoft Edge Secure Network. This is essentially the toggle to activate your VPN. Simply switch it on. Once you've toggled it on, you'll need to sign in with your Microsoft account to activate it fully. Don't worry if you don't have one yet, you can create one following the prompts. Signing in secures your settings and keeps everything synced across your devices. One fantastic benefit is that Microsoft Edge offers you 5 GB of free VPN data each month. It's a nice little package providing you with enough data to browse securely. It might not be a full-fledged VPN service with unlimited data, but it's perfect for casual browsing and securing your connection on the go. After you've signed in and toggled the VPN feature, Edge gives you the flexibility to choose how you want the VPN to function. You can select Optimized, which automatically protects you based on your activity. Select Sites if you prefer to customize which websites utilize the VPN, or All Sites for maximum coverage. These options provide a tailored experience, ensuring you're only using the VPN when necessary, thus saving on data. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should now have a greater sense of security and privacy while browsing through Microsoft Edge. Enjoy your safer browsing experience, and remember to check back for any updates or new features Microsoft might roll out. Thanks for watching, and happy surfing.